Saltus 30 custom mag with a clicker on a custom 10-foot gator glass rod. I have this reel spool with 50-pound Daiwa J-braid with a 10-foot, 50-pound shock leader that's linked with an upright knot. This reel casts extremely far, and it's not too big that it loses distance, but big enough to catch anything up to 7 feet in my opinion. I've landed multiple 6+ sharks on this reel. This reel also has an ABX7 ceramic bearings, and I also have it paired on a custom 10-foot gator glass. This reel is also interchangeable to my other 13-foot rods, not only limited to that 10-foot gator glass. Now up next, here is my Accio 666 with ABX7 ceramic bearings. It's also lubed with rocket oil, and it's paired on a 13-foot breakaway HDX. This is my furthest casting reel. This thing is a complete rocket. I can handle any inshore fish, anything, and it's also paired on a breakaway HDX 13-foot rod. I will also be using a spinning reel. This is my Shimano Ultegra 14K. I love this reel. It casts so far and the color is just sick. It's matte black. This taller spool gives it an upper casting edge over regular spinning reels. I have it paired on a 12-foot Daiwa Coastal SP surf rod. This combo is multimodal and versatile, and as you can see that the rod has a wide casting range, 3 to 10 ounces, which means that